Hello guys, welcome back to one of my videos, and this Lego review will be of my Transformers SLEDGE-HAMMER. Get it? His main weapon is a sledgehammer. Now, SLEDGE-HAMMER here is a kind of a mock, my own creation. I took the front part, this part, from a I had an idea to use these guys, but I realized if I want to make eyes, then I had to paint them. Plus, it's a bit too small if you ask me. Look at this, small. A rhino isn't that small. Okay, so yeah, Sledgehammer here is a rhino. Well, not a two-horn rhino. I think there's a species of rhino where there's one horn. I'm sure there's a species like that. I saw a video about it. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about Rhino mode. Also, you may think this is an illegal building hack. I think it's illegal, but if you turn it like this, it does not have any pressure, so I feel like it's okay. Also, this is a tail if you need any stuff. I don't know why I did this. I could just fold it up, but it's like this in the video, so why do I care? Articulation in Rhino mode. The head does not have any articulation. The front legs can kick front and a little bit back. Same here. Yeah, you can just see that. I don't know. It's a bit tight. The hind legs, they can go back, but not that much front. So yeah, also this is what I say, it's kind of like a hump of a rhino. It's not really a hump like a camel's, but it's still there. Also, you can clearly see the head. It's okay. I feel it just some light on this build. Anyways, for some comparisons, here are my wolves, my two fallen wolves, and Bumblebee. Bit big. Yep. Okay. Now should we transform? Yep, I think I should really transform it. Let me make some arm space. Okay. So the first step to transform him is to rotate this around and then rotate it like that to form the head. Then this is optional. You could turn it down or keep it up. I personally like to keep it up. After that, you have to turn that around to make the arms. Yep, I got it. And then you can fold them down and out like that. And then this is a bit fiddly, but you have to bring it out like that, and then take the tail part, fold it like that for now, then just keep it like that, keep the quote-unquote chicken legs like that. Then you can see these, they're to help him stand better. Yeah, it's okay. You can bring down the feet like that. Okay, then we can take the tail part, fold it down like that. There you go. Simple. Sledgehammer. Here's his sledgehammer and his very big gun, minigun type of thing, Alright, okay, first I guess I'll do articulation. Articulation You can turn the head weirdly like this. This is as if he has a big beard or a mask and he's bald. Okay, you can do that. Turn 160. I think that's a 160 turn. Look, wait. Shockwave eyes. Okay. Then you can move that. The arms, they have the same articulation as the front legs, but you can move this. Oh yeah, you can make it go in and out. Then the legs, well, the normal legs, like it used to be in hind legs, you can move them out, well, backwards and a little bit forwards, and here forwards and backwards. No, not that much backwards. Like you can move them backwards, but not that much. And for waist, you can make it look up, but it's weird, so you have to look down. Yeah, don't fall. As I said, very with a very big, very weak at legs. This guy is skipping leg day. Okay. Give it like that. Okay. Now I'll give him his weapons first. Not the best one. I'll do the very big gun. You just have to clip it in. I thought it was about to explode. Okay. There's the very big gun. Give me all your money. Okay, and then no, I'm not going to give you my money. His sledgehammer. You can keep it like that. You can keep it like that or like this. Okay. Oh, very big sledgehammer. We can keep it like that. Okay. Now for robot mode comparisons, still on a small side. These guys, the wolves, upside down. Okay, I'll keep them straight. Both of them straight. Just need to articulate them. Simple to build. Okay, you can just look at them and just build them. Easy builds. One normal. This one is like sneaking or running really fast, like sprinting. He's sprinting. What does he want to do? Okay, and like that. Yeah, these guys are good. Yeah, they're very good, well made. You can just copy them by looking at them. Guess who's the alpha? Definitely not this one. Definitely, it's this one. Yeah, you can move them away. They're not the main spotlight. Now, reverse transformation. Yee! Definitely not breakable. What? Okay. Breakable. Okay, just keep him in a normal look. Oh yeah, you can look at him and build him. Look at this guy. Good. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is a good pose. Okay, to reverse transform him, take the tail part out, like that. You fold that out, like that. You could keep him like this, but front heavy, very front heavy. Like, look at this. That's why I keep him like this. Look, he's sitting down, peaceful. Okay, you can work on legs from here. Just fold them in. Then keep these guys straight. Fold them like that. Now you can bring them. Keep it straight. Okay. Ooh, what happened here? Oh yeah, like this. So you should have it like that. I'll just do this. Yep. Now you will have it like that. Bring that big guy down and the tail as well. And then the front part is done. You can turn his head, and keep it down like that. Oh, how was it like that at the very beginning? Okay, I'll just keep it like that for now. Okay. Then remember, keep it like this. Turn around smoothly. And do the same here. Smoothly. Done. Like that. Like that. Like that. And it's a bit done. Yeah, it's done. Practically done. Like, look at it. So tight, but I don't want them to be loose either. But this guy, he is very loose, very, very loose. Believe me, and he's not even breaking. I think I need to check on him. This is his tail. You can fold that out if you want. Look at that, beautiful. Rhino. I had it like this in the beginning, didn't I? Yeah, like this. Okay, let's turn that on. Okay, yeah, this is okay. Nice. Here's a bit wolves. I'll keep these guys in a pose. Should I do a double video with the wolves review? Nah, you guys seen. Okay, I'll keep them in a nice pose. First, the rhino scared, then the wolf scared. Yep, the rhino's trying to run away, but they're eating him now. Looks like the rhino flattened them to pancakes. Look at them. Little dead guys. Move. Dead pancakes. Yep, they're yummy. Tasty pancakes. Tasty. Yummy Oh, I think I'm going to spit out like a piece. Oh, disgusting. Yeah, these guys are dead. I'll fix them. Wait a minute. Anyways, bye guys. Bye. Subscribe right now or else he'll come in night and kill you. He's watching you.